Hello there, I'm Taiwo from the Light Data Exploration. Welcome back again to Write Math in 5. This is the episode 11, and in today's episode, we are talking about fixing footnotes in the Chicago style. Now, the importance of this is that students spend months working on their researches, building credible arguments, and what have you. Then their footnotes looks like they learned formatting from a 2010 YouTube tutorial. And your supervisors they grade your presentation alongside your content. Bad footnotes suggest you don't understand academic standards. And besides, it might be a requirement in your school and you're looking for how do I get this fixed? Well, this video is for you. So you know what I'm about to do? I'm about to share you my screen, take you through every step of the way. Welcome back to class. So let's quickly see how we can create our footnotes using again this is Microsoft Office. So I'll just use this document for the sake of the explanation. Now what you want to do is you need to identify where you'll be inserting your references. So for this work I deleted some of my proper citation so I can explain to you how this works using Chicago reference style. Now what you want to do is just like I mentioned, identify where you want to insert your references and just go at random. Let's say after this first statement I need the citation, so you come to the where you want to have your citation. That's after decade. You click it and then you come to, let's say I imagine you were home before, you come to references and you come to insert footnotes. All right, so it brings a number. What is the footnote you're inserting? Now you quickly want to go to, so I have my references, so let me just copy one of them. Okay, so the first, copy this, come back and then I will paste it. And so that's my first reference. Then let's say I have more citations. Again, come here, click it, insert footnote. Again, same thing, copy probably the second citation and then have it pasted. All right, so that's just as easy as that. Now you don't in your, I'm trying to format it now. All right, so okay, I think this is just the list, the line spacing. Oh, all right, okay, so I can delete this just to make them closer. Okay, it's not deleting, it's automatic. All right, so this is how you do it. So when you're working on a document like this, never this is what someone else would have done. You know, I used to do this myself, to just come here, maybe write 3 and then you put it as a superscript 3 and then you come here and then you do this. They look similar but they're actually not the same thing. You know, look at this has my citation highlighted at the top of it, this doesn't. All right, so it's just this is a number. Now this is just the right way to get it done. Now for instance, you have other mention of the same citation. Let's say in the next page I still have this Arauro mentioned. Now I won't have to copy the entire thing, just Arauro, there may be the differential effects of ESG, and then I think just about that. So you don't need to just keep copying. Then just check the Chicago reference. This video is not dedicated towards helping you to format, right? It's just how you can insert footnotes. If you need more questions, you can comment in the comment section. I'll attend to it much later. But that's just how you can get it done. Then just for the fun of it, come here, references, insert footnotes. So what's the third citation I need? Here you go, you copy it, and that's it. Oh, sorry. So all right, so it's extended because the spacing isn't just enough. So let's just stop with 2 citations. Now let's say you're done with all of this. I believe now. Let me try. Okay. Now I'm deleting that one. Try it again. Insert footnotes. The third one. Okay, again it's more, so it goes to the third page, which is not exactly what I want. But that's that. Now if you want to insert, now after this, then you can now insert endnotes, which also I'm just giving it as a bonus. Now you come to, after all you're done, you come to at the end of it all, come to insert endnotes. So it automatically takes you to the end of the document. So for instance, let's say you're using abbreviations or you're using the first author and the second author, just few details. Then here in the endnote you can put the entire detail of all your references. I know you get that. So that's how you format your document using Chicago style reference style and using footnotes and endnotes. Thank you. Also, there you have it, professional Chicago style footnotes that will help improve your grades and even boost your presentation. Proper insertion, correct formatting, consistent presentation. Don't lose marks for something that's simple to fix. Before you leave, remember to share, to like, and then to put a comment. This is Write Math in 5. I'll see you next week.